Hello, everybody. Hope you're having a good day today. Welcome in, and I'm gonna give it a few seconds for people to jump in if you do, and please tell me where you're from, or where you're watching from, and how's the weather, and are you having a good day, and are you having a good week, and all that stuff, right? As per usual, I do say, while we wait, I want to talk about something real quick. A lot of people are using AI wrong. Not telling you you're doing something wrong, but what I am saying is that if you put a prompt into AI and you didn't get the result you would have liked, there's a way you could have gotten the result that you would have liked, right? So there's a way to do it, or a way that's could be more correct than what you're doing, but you just have to have access to that knowledge, or somebody can give you that prompt, or something can give you that prompt, right? So let's say, for example, they're typing basic prompts and getting basic answers and saying AI doesn't work for them. Well, that's like buying a gym membership and only using the parking lot, or similar type of logic. Not realizing you could have went into the gym and gotten results, instead of just getting to the entrance, right? Or instead of just showing up on the AI platform and typing the prompt and not getting result, you could have actually just gotten the result. Depends on if you know what to do or not, right? Now, what I do and what I teach at Promptify is prompt engineering. Sounds complicated, but it literally just means knowing how to talk to AI so that it gives you something you can actually use. Today, I'm going to show you from a certain topic, and then by the end of this, you'll be able to do it yourself in about 5 minutes, or however long it takes you to think up the prompt and then decide to use it, and or maybe add specific details that will help you get the cookie cutter results that you want. Um, Everything I show you is inside Promptify, and the link is in my bio. And all right, let's get right into it. Um, Oops. Let me just go into the outline real quick. So today, what I'm going to talk about is how I use AI to save time every day. So I started using AI like a second brain, and it saved me hours every week. The biggest mistake people make is using AI like a random toy instead of a system. I use it for the four same things every day: planning my day, writing content, organizing ideas, and speeding up decisions. For example, I have too many tasks. If I have too many tasks, I ask AI to sort them by urgency and impact. If I need content ideas, I give it my audience and ask for hooks. If I'm stuck on wording, I paste what I wrote and I ask it to make it clear. And that's but like this, that's what when AI becomes useful, not when you ask one vague question. When you use it to remove friction for not when you ask one vague question, and then and that's how you use it to remove friction from your day. And that's the whole game, basically: less friction, faster output, more consistency, or aka it just makes everything way more efficient and effective, right? um Now, even if you don't have this list of things to do, um you can just you can kind of like cut and paste or Mad Lib, or how whatever things you have going on, you can insert that in and get a more effective and efficient result. And that's another thing as well, is that part of why I say, oh, it's not. Here's the thing, right? Let's say that there's a stigma that people are using AI and it's making them dumber, or if they want to just put it blandly, or they're saying that people are not using their brain enough. No, here's the thing, right? You already These are things that you already know how to do, and what happens is it's more of a time saver, where you could sit down and spend all this time doing these things, and the time you're putting into doing these things, like for example, the things I listed, like planning your day, writing content, organizing ideas, and speeding up decisions, you can take a significant amount of time to do all those things, right? If you're just gonna do it the normal route that you usually do it with no help. But if you have AI help you, you're just speeding up things that you already know, and saving time for yourself on a weekly basis, you probably, if you do this stuff daily, you could probably get back a few hours a day, literally. Whether that goes to other stuff or whether that goes to you taking a nap or getting more hours of sleep every night, which ultimately just helps you achieve what you're trying to do while not actually taking any value away from you or your own brain. So it's very, very valuable. Now, if any of this information helped you, please, no, excuse me, if any of this information helped you, please do know that you can access more of it inside Promptify, and the link is in the bio, and you can actually start for free. Now, if any of this information helped you as well, excuse me, let me word it like this. Hope that this information has helped you, and I do hope you have a great day. See you later. Video's not ending. Oh my goodness.